Good morning, this is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some partly cloudy skies with some filtered sunshine coming through, some high clouds out there this morning. But on the mild side with just a slight breeze, we'll see that breeze pick up through today with clouds on the increase ahead of some rain chances later this evening. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we have an area of low pressure over the Great Lakes region, and that has a trailing cold front that will be approaching the area as we go into the evening hours this evening, and out ahead of it we'll see some showers moving into the area as well, and then behind that we'll see chillier temperatures with high pressure building in. Current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have a few clouds around 15,000 feet, then a broken deck around 25,000 feet, winds out of the south-southwest at 8 knots, temperature at 43 degrees, if relative humidity is at 86%. If we take a look at the current visible satellite with the composite radar overlaid, we can see the showers slowly approaching well off to the west at the moment, and mainly just high clouds over the local area with temperatures sitting in the low 40s, so mild over the local area, and we'll see those clouds on the increase as we go through the day today, and then we'll see that shower activity again move in as we get later in the evening and into the overnight hours. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out today, expecting the breeze to pick up a bit out of the south-southwest, becoming breezy at times, so a decent chance of seeing a wind advisory today. Otherwise, we'll see that will help with mild temperatures as we go through the day today, well above average for our high today. And then as we go into the evening hours, we'll have a slight chance of an isolated sprinkle out ahead of the main line of showers, and then going into the later part of the evening, we'll see this line of showers start to move into the area, becoming likely for shower activity to move through the area for the early morning of Saturday. And then as the front starts to push through, we'll see those winds shift out of the northwest, and then we'll see a slight pickup in the breeze, and we'll see those rain showers start to diminish as we approach sunrise for our Saturday. As we go throughout the day on Saturday, we'll see a clearing trend through the day with a slight breeze early, and then that should start to relax a bit as we go through the day, and a more seasonable day temperature-wise for Saturday. As we go into Saturday evening, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies at times. Otherwise, we'll see a brief increase in the winds as we get into the early morning part of Sunday. As high pressure starts to develop and build into the area, we'll see a tightening of that pressure gradient briefly for Sunday morning. So we'll see elevated winds, and then as we go into Sunday, we'll see high pressure continue to build in the area with a chillier day, and we'll keep that breeze around for our Sunday, and we'll see temperatures below average for Sunday. But overall, a mostly sunny day for Sunday. If we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, as we start off the morning, we had a slight south-southwesterly breeze, and going into the day today, we'll see that breeze pick up out of the southwest around 12 to 16 to 13 to 17 knots sustained. We'll see our peak gust up around 27 knots. So again, we do have that orange risk through about 18 to 20 local today for seeing those winds that are above 25 knots. So a good chance of seeing a wind advisory at some point today. Otherwise, we'll see very mild temperatures rising into the low to mid 60s, peaking out around 64 degrees this afternoon. And we'll see those clouds on the increase, mainly high clouds initially, then we'll see some more mid-level and low clouds building in as we get to the later part of the afternoon and into the evening as those showers start to approach closer to the area. So as we go past the 1600 local time frame, we'll pick up that yellow chance of a slight chance of an isolated shower in the area out ahead of the main line of showers. And as we get towards our midnight to early morning Saturday time frame, those showers will become likely, and we'll see that breeze weaken a bit as those low clouds and showers move into the area. And then as the front pushes through and winds shift out of the northwest, we'll pick back up a yellow risk for winds that are above 25 knots as those winds become a bit more gusty for the morning hours before sunrise on Saturday. And as we get into the start of Saturday, we'll see a chance of a lingering light rain shower for that pre-sunrise time frame. But otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment. If we take a look at the next couple days for Saturday, starting off mostly cloudy, we'll have that very slight chance of a lingering sprinkle early, but most of that should be pushed off the coast at that time. Otherwise, we'll see a clearing trend towards partly cloudy skies. We'll see slightly breezy conditions early as well. Otherwise, a seasonable day with a high around 51 degrees and green across the board for our weather risk. We'll see a partly cloudy sky Saturday night. Could see some mostly cloudy periods through the evening, but otherwise we'll see that breeze pick up late into Sunday with a chilly evening with a low around 30 degrees, and we do have that yellow risk for winds at or above 25 knots again, with that chance of a peak in the winds before sunrise. And then as we go into Sunday, we'll see a partly cloudy, mostly sunny day. We'll see that slightly breezy conditions continue, but we should see it dropping below that wind advisory criteria. Otherwise, we'll be on the chilly side with a high just around 45 degrees. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.